Welcome to my channel. I'm Karuizawa and today we are still in Karuizawa and today vlog is just about street photography. So yeah, today is not going to be a long photography vlog, it's just going to be a short one. I'm trying to photograph like random people on the street but with some intentionality and trying to give a little bit of vibe of how the place actually feels. This is downtown Karuizawa. I think there are plenty of street photography opportunity. So right now I'm using my Panasonic GX85 and the 12 to 32mm to capture some street photographs, and also I'm setting my camera to shutter priority at about 800 shutter speed and keeping everything else automatic. So I'm using the Insta360 Go to record some of the silent street photography shooting sessions today, and hopefully the image will turn out nice. So now let's try to shoot some pictures. And that wraps up today's video. So that is all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed today's session of street photography here in Karuizawa, Japan. And hopefully the pictures that I took can inspire you to go out and take more pictures. So please let me know in the comment down below, what do you think of today's picture? Which one is your favorite? And also if you have any other question, please comment down below as well, and I will try to answer them. Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel down below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.